Hi, this is chapter 14, bank reconciliations homework. We discussed the homework answer. First one is, this is the cost book page number 213. Cost book page number 213. We will discuss the answer. Question number one, which statement correct about the bank reconciliation? Okay, first one, it contains bank charges and standing order. No, bank charges and standing order we write in the updated cash book. We will record in the updated cash book. Is a part of the double entry system. No, bank reconciliation is not a part of the double entry system. This is an updated cash book. Yes. Prepared by the bank. Bank statement prepared by the bank. Bank reconciliation, we will prepare. The bookkeepers or the accountant will prepare the bank reconciliation. Prepared by the trader. Yes, we will prepare. So answer number one is D. Answer number one is D. So I already prepared the space to write the answer. So we write here D. Oh, I'm sorry. Cost book page number 203, not 213. Sorry. Cost book page number 203. Okay, answer number one is D. Next one is the bank reconciliation statement. Question number two. I'm reading question number two. The bank reconciliation statement was prepared starting with the balance at bank shown on the bank statement, which would be deducted. This one is very easy. We just follow the BACC. That's a formula. Okay, BACC. B plus with A minus with C will get the C. So the question asking deducted. Deducted means C. What is C? Do you know what is C? Check not yet credited or check not yet presented. Normally, amount not yet credited, right? Check not yet presented. So answer is check not yet presented. D also. The answer is D also. Okay, so the answer two also D. Answer two also D. Then question number three. The bank column of the traders cash book show the debit balance of this. Okay, cash book debit balance means it's a positive balance. You remember, cash book debit balance means a positive balance, and did not agree with the bank statement on the same date. How much they didn't tell me. It's okay. The following difference found out: check not yet presented, bank charges, and rent paid by the credit transfer. What is the bank statement balance? So they asked me to do the bank statement balance. So how to calculate the bank statement balance? You can follow the BACC formula. The bank statement balance, I don't know, let it be X. Amount not yet credited. There's no amount not yet credited, so it will be 0. Check not yet presented is 134. Okay, and how much is the excuse me? How much the cash book balance? Is it 952? No, 952 is the update. Haven't update. You haven't update the balance. So what you need to do? You need to update the cash book first. So this is a debit balance 952, and bank charges will increase the updated cash book or decrease. Bank charges we need to pay, right? If we need to pay, it will be in the credit side. So 11 in the credit side. Rent paid also, we pay the money. It's asset decrease, so it will be credit also 310. Balance up this, you get a balance CD. Can we calculate the balance CD? 952 minus 11 minus 310. I get 6. The balance CD is 631. So balance CD is 631. What plus 0 minus 134, you get 631. So what I do, 631 plus with 134. 134, I get a balance of 765. That's my answer. So answer this one wrong, this one also wrong, but then I get 765. 765, debit or credit? Debit or credit? How to decide debit or credit? Do you remember? For cash book, positive balance will be in a debit side and negative balance will be in a credit side. But then for bank statement, positive balance will be in a credit side, negative balance will be debit side. So here I get a positive balance. Bank statement Positive balance means credit. Bank statement, positive balance means credit. So answer is A. The answer is A. So I go here, I write A. Question number 3, answer is A. You all okay? Okay, next one, question number 4. Question number 4, he says Zafar is a trader. He's maintained a 3-column cash book, and compare this with his bank statement at the end of every month. He prepared the bank reconciliation. Good. Suggest 2 reasons why it is useful for Zafar to reconcile his cash book with the bank statement. Suggest 2 reasons why it is useful to reconcile these 2 balances. Okay, got a lot of reasons. They're asking only 2. So I write here. Number 1, you can talk about to obtain the accurate bank balance. Okay, obtain accurate bank balance. By doing the bank reconciliation, we will know how much the real bank balance. And also, you remember, easy to remember is identify check not yet presented, identify amount not yet credited. Okay, apart from that, you can talk about discover or identify errors in the cash book. Also can. Or you want to write, I did discover or identify errors on bank statement. Can. Assist in a discovering fraud. Can. Got a lot of answers. Okay, got a lot of answers. You can just write 2. That's question asking 2. We just write 2. Okay, question B. We see the question B. This one done. Explain the difference between check not yet credited, check not yet presented. Okay, what is check not yet credited? You remember the check that I received, but and then I put in a bank already. Bank haven't processed and bank haven't record. Bank supposed to record in the credit, but they haven't record. That's check not yet credited or check not credited. And check not presented. What is check not presented? The check that I already pay. But the check haven't presented to the bank by the person who received the check. So remember, this is a check that I received and I put in a bank haven't record. This is the check that I paid, but bank haven't, the guy haven't present to the bank. Okay, the answer for B, actually, I already write here. Okay, a check not yet credited, a check has been paid into the bank. Paid into the bank means you already deposited into the bank and entered in the debit side of the cash book. Okay, when we receive the check, we put in a bank, check deposit machine, or we deposit into the bank, and then we will record in the debit side of the cash book, but does not appear on the bank statement. That one is check not yet credited. Next one is check not yet presented is the check that had been paid by the business. We already paid to them. We already paid to the trade payable and enter the credit side. When we pay, we will record in the credit side of the cash book, but does not appear in the bank statement because the guy who received the check didn't present to the bank. Okay, are you all following me? And question number C. Complete the following table by place a tick in the correct column to indicate whether each item would be used to update the cash book or would appear in the bank reconciliation statement. Okay, this answer, I think I write here better. Okay, unpresented check will be in a bank reconciliation statement. Bank charges definitely in the bank cash book. Direct debit paid for anything lah. You paid it for anything also, it will be in the cash book. Credit transfer from someone, cash book also. Cash sales not yet credited. This is check not yet credited. Check not yet credited will be in a bank reconciliation. Bank error, of course, I do the mistake, I need to do the correction. So bank statement do the mistake, bank reconciliation need to do the correction. Check dishonored. This is actually dishonored. Check dishonored will be in a updated cash book in a credit side. Dishonored check will be in a updated cash book in a credit side. Okay, I think we are done with the question number 4. Done. That's it. Then now we are doing question number 5. Okay, this is question number 5. The question asked me to update the cash book, prepare the bank reconciliation, and prepare the statement of financial position. So we do one by one. First, before we do the updated cash book, I need to find the problems. What are the problems? Okay. Step number 1, I see the opening balance. You see the opening balance here and opening balance here same. Okay, same is no problem. But the closing balance here and the closing balance here is not same. That's a problem actually. Okay, so what I'm going to do is the debit side of the cash book, will compare with the credit side of the bank statement, and also credit side of the cash book will compare with debit side of bank statement. Okay, must be same. Whichever not same, that's a problem. Okay, here I can see 87, 87 cancel because it's same. This one I circle. This one also I circle because it's not same. And 113, 113 cancel. 246 circle, 87 circle, 36 circle, 12 circle. Okay, whichever not same, I circle. Don't circle the balance BD and balance CD. Balance BD and balance CD, normally we don't circle. Okay, now we see how many problem? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problem. There are 6 problems, 6 circles I do. Then after that, we read the additional information because the question got give me additional information. We need to settle with the additional information. So the first additional information, Ella had overcast. Do you know what is overcast, right? 10 plus 10 is 20. This is overcast. This is overcast. Ella had overcast the debit side of the cash book. So there's an error. There's an error in a cash book. Cash book error. Cash book error. And it is overcast debit side. Oh, debit side is overcast. Sorry. There is a cash book error in the debit side by 100. So over by 100. If it is over by 100, you're supposed to do the correction. To do the correction, you need to plus or you minus. Okay, debit side over by 100 means correction is you need to minus. Wait, let me write here. The black color is the error. Okay, so later you need to do the correction. The correction is you need to minus the 100. Do you get it, the point? The debit side extra by 100. So to do the correction, you need to minus the 100. They already include an extra 100. So to do the correction, you need to minus the 100. That's the first thing. After that, second one, the bank should have been charged the motor insurance Ella into the personal account. See or not? Which one is? Insurance. Where's the insurance? This one. This is the insurance they're talking about. This one is bank statement error. This is the bank statement error. They're supposed to record in a personal bank. Okay, not in the business bank. This is not a business expenses. So they mistakenly charge into the business bank statement. So we have a cash book error, and also we have a bank statement error. So now I'm going to do the that's it. We are done. Now I want to do the updated cash book. To do the updated cash book, we'll start with the balance CD. The balance CD here will become balance BD in my new cash book, in updated cash book. So credit balance CD here. I go here. I write 910. That's my balance BD. Balance CD in the credit side will become balance BD here. And then the date. What is the date? 2017. And then they ask you to prepare the bank reconciliation on the 31st May. As I told you, always follow the bank reconciliation date. Always follow the bank reconciliation date, 31st May. So I go here. I write 2017, May 31st. May 31st, balance BD. After that, do you have anything else from cash book to record here? There are two things. There are two things from cash book. We'll go to the cash book. So let me check. Which one will go to the from cash book? Yeah, correction of error. Correction of error from cash book will go to the cash book, and also dishonored check. But dishonored check is already written here. Dishonored check already written here, so no need to care about a dishonored check. So this one. So now you need to decide this 100. You need to minus 100, right? Will be in a debit side or credit side. Do you remember the formula that I give you? The formula to do the correction. Formula to do the correction is we need to, whenever you want to plus, we will follow the mistake side. We will follow the mistake side. If you want to minus or you want to reduce it, we will go against the mistake side. We will go against the mistake. Remember this is the formula we use for all the correction. Okay, the mistake happened in the debit side. According to the questioner, the debit side is overcast. The mistake happened in the debit side. So if the mistake happened in the debit side, and now you need to do the correction minus, you need to minus it. If you want to minus it, you follow the mistake side or go against the mistake side. We will go against the mistake side because we want to minus 100. So it will be debit or credit. It will be in a credit side. It will be in a credit side. So how much? 100. You minus me, go credit side. So I go to my cash book, credit side. I write here 100. The date will be same date lah. Everything will happen on the last day, May 31st. Okay, now. Then we write here error correction. Or you can write error also lah. Error correction 100. After that, do you think anything from cash book will go? Anything? No. Okay, anything will from cash book go to the updated cash book? No, nothing. Okay, except the bank cash book error lah. After that, here we have a few circles here. All these circles will go to the updated cash book. First one, the 938. No need to circle actually. Sorry, just now. This is a balance actually. 398 is actually opening balance. It's opening balance. Should not appear here actually. Sorry. The straightaway they will put in a balance here. The balance supposed to be straightaway in the balance. Should not appear here. So the one we don't care about that. And then the 87. 87 is this dishonored check. But then if your bank statement is debit, if the bank statement is debit, your cash book will be credit. Okay, cash book will be credit. So I go to the credit side of the cash book. I write 87. Okay, if you know whose check is dishonored, you write the people's name. Can you know whose check is dishonored? Can you guess whose check is dishonored? If you check here, 87 William, 87 they plus. Okay, they plus and then they minus again. So actually the 87 is actually William check lah. 87 is a William check. If you realize this, then you write the name William dishonored because the amount is same. You plus here, the bank also plus on the 18. You receive the check on the 18, and then after a few days, the bank we deposited the check into the bank process. The bank plus after that only on the 24th, the bank realized it's a dishonored. That's why the 87 there plus that, and then you bank minus again. So we write a William. If you know the name, you can write the name. If you don't know the name, you just write the dishonored lah. No choice. So William in a bracket, dishonored. Right, William, dishonored, 87. After that, do you have anything else in a bank statement? Yes. 36, the bank statement error. If there is an error in a bank statement, we will record in the bank reconciliation. Not in the cash book. So bank charges, yes, we record in the cash book. Bank charges, we record in the cash book. Since in the debit here, debit in the bank statement will be credit in the cash book. What is this? Bank charges. Actually, we are done now. Okay, we are done. We can balance up this. How to balance up? You see which side is bigger? I feel debit side is bigger. 910, 910, 910 minus 100 minus 87 minus 12. I get 711. Can I stop here? No, you need to label balance CD. This is my balance CD. Can you stop here? No. Okay, if you stop here, you lost the 1 mark. Balance CD will become balance BD. The balance CD will become balance BD June 1, 2017. You understand? Bank cash book, update the cash book. After the updating cash book, we will do the bank reconciliation. To do the bank reconciliation, actually, I created a formula, right? What is the formula? BACS. What is the BACS? B-A-C-C. B-A-C-C. The B stand for what? The B stand for bank statement. B stand for bank statement. So right here, balance shown on bank statement. Okay, how much the balance shown in the bank statement? I need to see the bank statement. Where's my bank statement? My bank statement is here. 237 credit. If a bank statement credit means it's a positive balance. So I take this one, 237. I write here 237. This one will be plus with A. A stand for B plus A minus C. You'll get C. So A stand for amount not yet credited. Amount not yet credited. What is amount not yet credited? The check that I received. The check that I received, but then I debited in my cash book and then I put in a bank. The bank haven't credit into the bank statement. So do you have any check amount not yet credited? Which one is amount not yet credited? Here we have two circle, 1 and 2. We have two circle. Out of these two, which one is amount not yet credited? The one in the debit, because amount not yet credited, the check that we received, right? It will be in a debit side of the cash book. So this one, the sales 684, which is the sales, is amount not yet credited. Amount not yet credited, sales. So I go to my bank statement. I write here sales 684. After that, do you have anything to plus? This one will be minus, but don't forget, there is a bank statement error. So this bank statement error will be in a bank reconciliation. This is a special thing, but plus or minus. So how to decide it's a plus or minus? You need to know what happened first. You need to know what happened first. What happened? They debited, bank statement debit. Bank statement debit means they minus. Bank statement debit means they minus. They mistakenly minus the 36. So they mistakenly minus the 36. To do the correction, you need to add back or minus again. They mistakenly minus in the business account. So now to do the correction, we need to plus or minus again. We need to plus back, we add back because they mistakenly minus. To do the correction, we add back. So this 36 bank statement error will be added to the bank statement balance. So I go here, right here, bank statement error, or you can write bank error also. You can write bank error. So how much? Oh, 36. Since we have two, what we can do, we draw a line like this. Do two line 36. This one. You can do like this. Okay. So we total up 684 plus with 36. I get 720. 237 plus with 720, I get 957. This 957 will be minus with C. Will be less with C. What is the meaning of C? C is check not yet presented. What is check not yet presented? The check that we paid to that guy, but the guy didn't present to the bank. So the check that we pay to the guy will be in a debit side or credit side of the cash book. Will be in a credit side of the cash book. Who's the guy? James. 246 James. So I go to my bank reconciliation. I write here James. Only one, there's only one. You can straight away write 246. Put it in a bracket because we reduce it. Okay, we minus. So 957 minus 246. I get 711. 711. So what is this? This is my C. C stands for balance shown in. C is cash book. Is this answer is correct? Yes. How to make sure this answer is correct? Because the cash book balance here and then bank statement balance here must be same. These two balances must be same. Then what I did is correct. Okay. After that, the question asked me to do statement of financial position, only the this bank account, bank value. Okay. Which value will go to the statement of financial position? Which is the most correct balance? Okay. You have a 910, 711, 237. So which is the representing the correct or updated or the latest balance of the bank? The one that this one are 711, 711, because both people agreed for that one. So that's a corrected balance. Okay, since your cash book in a debit side, it will be under the current asset. Balance BD in the debit is your asset. So it's a current asset. So I go to my statement of financial position. I write here current assets. Under the current asset, we write a bank. The value is 711. You can take from your bank statement or you take from the updated cash book. Both also will give you same amount, right? 711. We write here 711. Okay. After that, we are done with the question number 5. We do one more question, which is question number 6. Okay, my question number 6 is here. Yatish is a trader. He compared his cash book with the bank statement on the 30th June. The cash book showed overdrawn. Overdrawn is 2356. The following differences in the cash book and the bank statement. Check not yet presented. Not recorded. Cash sales not recorded is actually amount not yet credited. Amount not yet credited. This is a check not yet presented. And then the third one is the bank had debited 50 to the business bank account, which should have been debited in the Yatish personal bank account, similar to the previous question just now. So debited means they minus, because bank statement plus means credit, minus mean debit. Remember these are bank statement, plus mean credit, minus mean debit. So here they say debit means they minus 50. So it means they over minus. Whenever the error is they over minus 50. So now the correction, what you need to do? Correction is you need to add back. Need to add back 50 because they over minus. They should not minus, but they mistakenly minus. So we need to add back. Okay, so these are the 3 things we need to prepare the bank reconciliation. Always follow the formula BACC. BACC. So I go to this is the place that I prepare. BACC. B stand for balance shown on bank statement. Balance shown in a bank statement. How much? Oh, the question didn't give me how much the balance shown in a bank statement. It's okay. We leave it empty first. We don't know. The question didn't tell me. Since the question, wait, I write smaller bit. Balance shown on bank statement. I don't know the answer. Let it be X. Okay, later I'll try to find out. This one B, formula is B A C C, right? So A stand for, you need to plus with A. A is amount not yet credited. Amount not yet credited. Do you have any amount not yet credited in this question? Can you check the question? Yes. Amount not yet credited, 950. The cash sales. Amount not yet credited. So I go here. I write sales. I write here 950 here because you remember there's a correction of error. We need to plus. Okay. The bank error. There is a bank statement error. You can write bank error or bank statement error. How much is the bank error that we need to supposed to add back? 50. The correction is we need to add back the 50. So I write here 50. So total up, I get 1000. X plus with 1000, I don't know, let it be Y. X plus 1000 is a Y, I don't know. It's okay, we put Y first. This one will be less with C. C stand with check not yet presented. Check not yet presented. From where you get a check not yet presented? From the question. That's my question. Yeah, here. Hemisha and Ben. Hemisha and Ben, these two are check not yet presented. Will be minus here. So you write here Hemisha and also Ben. The amount, can you remember? See the question, 428,910. So total, we total out these two. 428 plus 910, I get 1338. 1338. Then Y minus with this, I will get Y minus with this, I will get balance shown in cash book. Do you know how much is the balance shown in a cash book? I think yes. That's just now the question got give. The question got give. Where's the question here? This one. Balance shown in the cash book is 2356. So I go here. I write 2356. Is it correct? Is it correct? No, it's wrong. Why I'm telling you this is wrong? Because the question clearly tell you cash book showed a overdrawn. Overdrawn means negative balance. Overdrawn means negative balance. So this one is supposed to put in a negative. So now I don't know this. I plus with 1000. I don't know this. Let it be while I don't know. But I don't know this. I minus 1338. I'll get negative 2356. Negative 2356. So how to calculate the Y? What do you do with the Y? So how to calculate this? Wait, we take this minus this. Okay, 2356 minus 1338. I get 1018. 1018, still a negative, still a negative. Still a negative. Then this one, X plus with this. So what do you do? You will negative 1018. You will minus with 1000. Minus with the 1000. Because you know, right? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus 2, you'll get 1. So negative 1018 minus with 1000, I get 2018 in a negative also. In a negative also. Okay, to double check, is this answer is correct? You can check. You take negative 2018 plus with 1000. Yes, I get this answer. This one minus with 1338. Yes, perfect. I get 23 56. So always after you balancing up and calculate, and you double check here. If you didn't double check later, it's wrong, means you cannot detect the mistake. You always double check like this. Okay. Okay, next one. We have some theory question also. Question B. Explain the difference between bank statement and bank reconciliation. So what is the difference between bank statement and bank reconciliation? The answer is already there. I already typed for you. First one is a bank statement. A bank statement is a copy of the customer's account in the books of bank sent by the bank to the customer in a regular interval. Okay, so next one is bank reconciliation. Bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement is a document prepared by the business. We will prepare to explain why the updated bank balance in the cash book does not agree with the bank statement. Okay, we want to explain why there is a difference between cash book and also bank statement. That's the purpose of bank reconciliation statement. Okay, the question number C, what is the question number C asks you to do? Explain the entries on the bank statement opposite side where they are appear in the cash book. So if cash book debit, bank will be credit. If bank credit, bank credit mean we will debit the other way around. Why? Because cash book prepared by from the business point of view, bank statement prepared from the bank's point of view. That's why. Okay, the detailed answer I already typed here. You can read yourself. You can read yourself. Okay, I think that's it for your chapter 14 bank reconciliations homework. Okay, thank you. Please love accounts. Accounts will love you back. Bye.